Aldeyjarfoss is a waterfall located in the North Iceland.
This waterfall is one of our most favorite here in Iceland.
As you can see, it is a very good place to take pictures while enjoying this beautiful view. So you're probably wondering how to get there. Let's get to it. You need to have four-wheel drive to get there because when you leave the main road you will drive a short distance on F26 road, but the good thing it is totally worth it.
It's short and easy walk distance from parking lot, which is also free of charge.
The bonus for today's video is Hrafnbjargafoss waterfall that is very near. We will leave both GPS coordinates below in description.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more places like this.